Hi everyone, and this is Dr. Shannon. Today I'm here to show you something really amazing. Are you wondering what this device is? Why does it look like that? This device is basically used to increase your lung capacity and expand your lung, keeping it healthy. Use this device especially in patients who suffer from severe asthma, bronchitis, COPD patients. It is also an amazing device used post-COVID situations where lung fibrosis is very common. So difficulty in breathing is something that you face post-COVID. But this device helps you to increase your lung capacity. It looks so simple, but I'll tell you how it functions. Using this device in the right way is very important. Let me tell you first how we use this device. So this device generally has to be kept at your mouth level or at your chest level. You can also hold it in this position if you are comfortable. This is a mouthpiece. Okay, so I'm keeping it at my chest level now. These are balls that you need to lift up. It has to pull up as soon as you inhale. Holding these balls will help you to maintain that tension and capacity, increase the capacity of a lung. So first you need to exhale out completely and inhale through this mouthpiece such that these balls lift up. Try to hold this at least for a few seconds and then exhale out. Again, you need to repeat this for at least 10 counts. Let me show you how to do it. So I'll exhale and inhale, okay? Got that? So you inhale and you exhale and do this for about 10 times. Holding is very important. It's not necessary that all the balls have to move. It depends on your lung capacity. Initially, maybe only one will move, but eventually you will get there doing it. Post doing this 10 times, the next very important step is to cough out. You need to cough out all the mucus that is secreted in your lungs. It helps you, doing this helps you to get the mucus centrally and helps you to let it out. So once this is done 10 times, you need to cough out, like deep cough in this pattern 2 to 3 times and help the mucus come out. Also, a very important note. Now, if you are using this device post-surgery, whether it's a heart surgery, whether it is any other surgery where your lung capacity weakens, you have stitches, you need to hold the stitches with a towel or pillow and cover and put pressure on the stitch such that while you cough out, there isn't pressure on the stitches and pain also reduces. So this is the right way to use this amazing device. It's very portable and handy and can be taken along with you wherever. Do this regularly to increase your lung capacity, and I hope this video has helped you to understand how to use this better and in the right way. If you do like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Dr.ForYou.